Welcome back uHPLCs channel. uHPLCs offers high-quality HPLC and uHPLC connectors, including versatile 3-way and 4-way options, as the video showing, those connectors designed for seamless integration in complex chromatography systems. These connectors support fluid flow in multiple configurations, enhancing system flexibility. They are precisely engineered for durability and are compatible with a range of tubing sizes, including 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, and 1/32. Both HPLC PEEK tubing and uHPLC stainless steel tubing can be used with these connectors, making them ideal for both new setups and system upgrades. So if you're also looking for some HPLC connectors, contact us by email at sales@uHPLCs.com today.